What's happening, guys? Happy Monday. And Bitcoin is currently running in profit in this trade, and we actually gave this day trade last week and actually another day trade to come in today's video. So we're going to go through Bitcoin's price prediction, a review over the markets currently and the key levels, and then tomorrow we're actually going to do a whole overview over the past 2 weeks and what trades would have worked, what trades wouldn't have worked, to help you guys learn and earn. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, let's go through the comments, and I'm adding these comments into these videos to kind of interact with you guys a bit more. And I actually really appreciate a positive comment from you guys, because this one here says your positive and down to earth analysis in Outlook is much appreciated, bro. And I appreciate you taking the time out to write in, to give me some love, and the love is reciprocated back to you as well. Next up we've got here is, I think I'm getting the strategy with the key levels. I'm starting to work my way towards profit now. Thanks. Can someone tell me what the green and red block is? It seems to work easier with visual with the trades I want to make. Now, what these green and red blocks are, they are a tool on Trading Tool where you can ultimately set your buy and sell. So all you have to do is go onto the left hand side, and then you can go on forecasting, and on the projection or forecasting you have long position, short position, forecast, bar patterns, loads of different things, and you can kind of go through it through there. You can use the bar patterns to copy before and after patterns, and that will help you kind of predict the market or help you see and visualize the market in a way you want to see, because that's what we're doing. We're planning our trade and trade our plan. So let's start with the juicy stuff. So on the higher time frame, what we are looking for is, we still got these major two key levels. Just on a recap, is 26,761 and 25,244. These are supports where price has rejected these multiple times as a resistance and a support, therefore meaning that price is going to come to these areas and we could get a reaction. We might not, it doesn't matter. What we do is we want to stay up to the market, see if it does confirm, see if it does react, and then we take action on there. So really and truly, I still have the idea where if we break 25k, then we can look for and we trade below, then we look for sales to go below, and then vice versa. If we break up above and we can hold, because we can see this here on the 29th of August, this pumped up to the push onto the 28k mark but failed to trade above. Therefore, it pulled all the way back down to this support, and then now it's just trickling lower and lower. So like I said in the previous video and a recap, I am much more biased to the sells. I am much more biased to Bitcoin falling lower, and I'm much more biased to Bitcoin coming down to the 17 and 18k mark here if it breaks below. Right guys, don't forget to check the link in the description below, where there's up to $40,000 worth of bonuses and up to $30 for just a free airdrop. It's just cash airdrop if you've never traded with a Bybit. So link in the description if you want to support us or if you want to trade with Bybit. Let's get back to the video. Now I just want to quickly address something. Now some of you guys say, oh, he says this, he says that. At the end of the day, I have a bias. If I have a bias on the market, does that mean that can change? Yes or no? Yes, it can change, because the market will change. I have to adapt. So my thesis today can change tomorrow. Your personality and your thinking can change today and tomorrow. Something can happen to you. You could learn something. You could change something. So biases change every single day. The one key levels that I've always been saying is I'm waiting for a 10 and 16k Bitcoin and 37k. If they come, does it matter? Yes or no? No, because if it doesn't hit, then nothing's really detriment to me. But if they do hit and I hit a pending buy at 10k, then I'm the one that's going to be able to benefit from that. So I've seen a few comments where people are like, well, he said this, he said that. That's cool. I understand where you're coming from, because you're maybe thinking, well, he's got these key levels, why does he change them every so often? And the lesson here is to bounce back and give you some positivity and some lessons, is that as a trader, even as humans, we always change our bias as we learn and as the world adapts. We have to be adaptable. We have to be able to adapt to change, and we can't be stuck and stubborn in a certain way. I'll tell you, one of the fastest ways to lose money is be stuck on a bias. For example, right now, if I just keep buying and buying and buying and buying and buying, if I think it's going to hit to 40k whilst the market trickles down, and vice versa, if I keep selling and selling and selling and the market is going up on a momentum on an uptrend. So things will change. That's why there's daily videos. That's why bias will change every single day. It's down to you to stay up to date, and I hope that that positivity can help you guys learn and earn. So let's get back to the video. On the day trade, we've actually said a sell idea, which we gave last week. Now, really and truly, I really like to add another sell right now as well, if you wanted to do this, with a stop loss above this zone here and then take profit below. Now, if we run these, I would really want to have a take profit on this level here, which is where price is wicked below before. So at 25,400, take profits there, or even take profits right now if you are in this trade or if you're already in the trade. But looking for this, if this does break below and continues, then we can get a nice meltdown to the minimum of 24.2k. Now, the reason I say 24.2k is if we look on this chart here, we can see that that's going to be a wick fill. Price wicked all the way down. Now price could potentially retest that as a support and a key level, and then we are potentially able to fill that and make a profit. Now these are just ideas, these are what I do. It's up to you what you want to do. The main purpose of these videos is to keep you up to date with key levels, keep you up to date with the learning earning and what I'm doing as an overall. One last final thing is there is an update on the 5k challenge. I will be bringing that in soon. I've just been so focused on my own trading, and you know, trading's been going phenomenally well, so I've been really focusing and dialing in on making some profits and getting payouts, and we're also structuring up on opening something else. And the fact that if we're opening that, I will literally be the first person in the whole entire space to be able to have something that I've opened. So you guys who have been following from day one, I appreciate you guys, and you're gonna love what I have to announce when the time comes. So to stay up to date with our daily videos, remember to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.